Indian Air Force. Founded 8 October 1932. 1850 plus aircraft. Combat aircraft. Dassault Rafale EH and DH, origin France, type multi-role, in service 23. Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, origin Russia, type multi-role, in service 272. MiG-29 UPG, origin Russia, type multi-role, in service 69. HAL Tejas Mk1, origin India, type multi-role, in service 29. Mirage 2000, origin France, type multi-role, in service 49. Spacecat Jaguar, origin United Kingdom, type ground attack, in service 120. MiG-21 Bison, origin Russia, type interceptor, in service 108. Airborne early warning and control aircraft. Embraer EMB 145, origin Brazil, type airborne early warning and control, in service 3. Berev A50, origin Russia, type airborne early warning and control, in service 3. Reconnaissance aircraft. Boeing 707, origin United States, type surveillance, in service 1. Global 5000, origin United States, type signal intelligence, in service 2. Gulfstream G100, origin Israel, type surveillance, in service 2. Electronic warfare aircraft. Gulfstream 3, origin United States, type electronic warfare, in service 3. Tanker aircraft. Ilyushin IL-78, origin Russia, type aerial refueling, in service 6. Transport aircraft. Ilyushin IL-76, origin Russia, type tactical airlifter, in service 17. Boeing C-17, origin United States, type tactical airlifter, in service 11. C-130J Super Hercules, origin United States, type tactical airlifter, in service 12. Antonov AN-32, origin Ukraine, type transport, in service 104. Hawker H748, origin United Kingdom, type transport, in service 57. Dornier 228, origin Germany, type utility transport, in service 50. Embraer 600, origin Brazil, type VIP transport, in service 4. Boeing 737, origin United States, type VIP transport, in service 3. Boeing 777, origin United States, type VIP transport, in service 2. Helicopters. HAL Light Combat Helicopter, origin India, type attack, in service 2. Boeing AH-64 Apache, origin United States, type attack, in service 22. CH-47 Chinook, origin United States, type heavy transport, in service 15. Mi-24, origin Russia, type attack, in service 15. Mi-26, origin Russia, type heavy transport, in service 3. Mi-17, origin Russia, type utility transport, in service 223. HAL Rudra, origin India, type armed scout, in service 16. HAL Dharv, origin India, type utility, in service 123. HAL Chetak, origin France, India, type light utility, in service 77. HAL Cheetah, origin France, India, type light utility, in service 17. Trainer aircraft. Pilatus PC-7, origin Switzerland, type basic trainer, in service 57. HAL Kiran, origin India, type intermediate trainer, in service 76. B-Hawk, origin United Kingdom, type advanced jet trainer, in service 104. SpaceKit Jaguar IB, origin United Kingdom, type conversation trainer, in service 30. MiG-21 UM, origin Russia, type conversation trainer, in service 39.